Welcome to Ohio, guys. This is Sandusky, Ohio, right here on Lake Erie and Sandusky Bay. And we're a place called Cedar Point. That's what this island is. Cedar Point is a theme park. It also has a water park on it. It has an RV park and resort, and it has hotels. It's really cool. I've never seen anything like this at all. I mean, we're literally camping right next to a theme park. I mean, look how sweet this place is. We got a full-blown fire pit with Adirondack chairs around it. We got a grill that's like built in like an outdoor kitchen. We got table and chairs, and the site's like 70 feet long. It's huge. That's all they had available, so we went ahead and bit the bullet. So Ellie has so much room to sprawl out and chill for the next 2 nights. Anyway, this place is super rad. I'm super stoked to be here. Tomorrow, Lisa's got us lined up to hit Cedar Point, going to the theme park. I'm not sure if we're doing the water park or the regular theme park, but I don't really care. Either one's gonna be just fine by me.
This place is awesome. So I've heard of Cedar Point, but I will tell you, I am way more impressed with the amount of rides and roller coasters that are here than what I was expecting. I think it is so neat that there is literally a roller coaster right there. Like, I can see it from our campsite. That is so cool. Never seen anything like that before. I mean, even we've stayed at Disney, you know, in the campgrounds there, and they're not this close. So I think this is really neat. We've got tomorrow access to the theme park all day and the water park. Because we're staying on site, we get 1 hour early entrance. We'll see if we actually get up that early. Fingers crossed we will. What else is neat about this is right over there beyond that hill is Lake Erie. Yeah, we're at the Great Lakes. This is the first time that we've really experienced the Great Lakes. We've been to Buffalo and Niagara Falls, which is kind of off of one of the Great Lakes, but not really. So this is our first Great Lakes experience. Excited about that. It is sprinkling a little bit, which kind of stinks. I'm hoping the rain stops pretty soon, and hopefully it's clear tomorrow. We are gonna enjoy this campsite.
There's so many geese, so many. Careful, they'll run after you and attack you. What's up, fellas? Going to hang out at the lake for a little while? So are we. Yeah, it's like a landmine of geese poop. This is one of the little outposts for the shuttle pickup. They have them all throughout the RV park, and they'll shuttle you into the theme parks and the water parks. Pretty cool. And it is a bathhouse as well. To handle your business there. Get all cleaned up. Well, pretty cool. We made it to one of the Great Lakes, Lake Erie. We've yet to put our hands in it yet, so it's not official until you touch the water.
But the temperature is fabulous. This is so much better than being in Louisiana right now.
Yes, it is. Man, that lake breeze is awesome. It's such a big lake, looks like an ocean. Of course, you can see land over there, but there's other parts of it you can see you can't see anything. It just goes on forever and ever.
We're in an inlet.
Yeah. And it is choppy out today with all the wind. They have cabins all through here too you can rent. I just thought of something. I have my fishing pole. I have my worms still in the refrigerator, my live bait. I'm pretty sure they've been cool, so I'm pretty sure they're still alive. I'm gonna try to catch me some fish. The coolest little spatula my son Colby got for me. I know what you're thinking, it looks like rubber, but it's not. It's silicone, and it's metal inside there, and it will not melt. And they're so durable. I love using it. Great little spatula. Oh, these burgers are looking so good. Smelling good too. All right, I think we're ready for some cheese. Pepper jack, my favorite. It appears I have attracted the seagulls, along with probably everybody else that's barbecuing right now, but they sure are coming over my site. You're not getting any today, guys. Let's eat.
Yummy.
Cheers.
We are on a bit of a wandering adventure now. So Jason found the path that leads behind the rides, behind the water park, from the campground to the hotel.
Next to the beach.
And also all alongside the beach. So there is a beach that runs the entire length of Cedar Point Island, and then you can really see Lake Erie. So where we were earlier was just a little inlet. Here, it looks like the ocean. You can't see land as far as the eye can see.
Wow, this is absolutely beautiful. This is stunning. I never thought I would be on a beach that housed a theme park, basically. This is incredible.
It is.
I mean, it's like we've landed on Mars. If this is what Mars is like, it's pretty cool. I want to be there a lot. This is really neat. So, this is so cool. We're on a beach, and there's a theme park on it, and beautiful resorts, and then you have Lake Erie right here, and it's calm right now. It's very peaceful. Gorgeous.
It's shallow.
It's very shallow. Yeah, we've been noticing some kids walking way out there, and they're just up to their waist. We got us a couple of chairs here. We are posted up, and we are gonna just enjoy being here at Cedar Point and kind of savor what it's all about, which I think we found a good spot to do that.
Definitely.
Very nice. Got a little band right up here playing Skyfall right now. Adele, Skyfall. And she's doing a pretty darn good job. Listen. Never heard anybody do that live. Got us a cold, tall boy. We got this beautiful view. The temperature's like 74 degrees, and we got that. It's not really a lake breeze right now. The wind's died down, which is nice, but this is just incredible, man. Right now, at home in Louisiana, it's about 99 degrees. Well, since it's later in the evening, but during the day, it's like 99 degrees. It feels like 110. It's hot and it's humid. This is a lot of what we came for, the temperatures. The great thing about RV travel is you have that. If you work remotely like we do, you can leave and go anywhere you want in your RV. And we chose to be in the cooler temperatures this summer. And it's been wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. And it's crazy because back at home at 8:30, it's dark. It's about to be dark, at least. It's 9 o'clock right here, right now. And look how light it is. It's just so bright out. See, what time is it? 8:53. And it is, look how bright it is. We're in the Eastern time zone. Why does it stay so bright here? Y'all know? I don't know the answer to that. I'm gonna have to Google that here in just a second. I'll get back with you on that. Yeah, I think it's cool. More time to have fun.
This is awesome.
Okay, Elisa's my stat person. And she has pulled up the stats back at home. Lisa, what do we got?
Okay, so in Alexandria right now, it is 84 degrees, but feels like 88, and that's in the evening. The sun sets at 8:11 p.m., but you can see here, well, you can't really, but the highs are 97 to 99 all week. 97 to 99, actual temperatures. You add humidity to that, 110, like Jason said, crazy hot, and this is just glorious temperatures.
Well, good morning, everybody. It is the second day, and as you can see, the sun is out. It's a nice, cool 76 degrees this morning. The roller coasters are going, and we are heading in to Cedar Point to get our roller coasters on this morning. I'm looking forward to it. I know Elisa's over there. She's on the starting line, ready to go. Let's get after it.
Good morning from Cedar Point Amusement Park, theme park. We're here to get our roller coaster on. Since we're staying on site, we get early entrance. That's why you don't see a whole lot of people here. We are gonna go see if we can find a roller coaster that we can get on real quick like. Okay, the first ride for us is gonna be Magnum XL. This is the one that comes right by our campsite, so we've been watching it all day yesterday, and we're gonna go ride that first thing in the morning. Whoa, that is a way to wake up in the morning. Let me tell you, that was crazy fun. So we watched that one go off and off yesterday, and we knew that was gonna have to be our first. And because it's park opening and there was no line, they let us ride twice without having to get back in line. Awake?
I am awake. No coffee required. anymore.
Look at this insanity right here. That is 400 feet high. Woo! That one's closed right now for refurbishment, but dang.
There's thrill, and then there's just, that's just crazy. You know, I like chicken wings, right? I like hot wings, but like I don't want to eat a ghost pepper or a Carolina Reaper. It's gonna be too hot. I want to enjoy the experience. This is what that reminds me of. It's a weird way of looking at it, but that just looks a little bit like it's too much. Like I'm not gonna enjoy it. You never know.
This ride is crazy. This is the Val Raven. We've been sitting here watching it, and it takes you up and it like tilts you over the edge before you drop down. Woo! That looks intense.
It does look intense. It looks fun. It's a 45-minute wait right now, so we're sitting here debating, do we want to wait 45 minutes? I'm gonna tell you what, man, this park is cool. It's like 70 plus rides in here. A bunch of roller coasters, and they're all like, man, high thrills kind of roller coasters. I dig it. Very cool. Got the little gondola going across the park.
I know, we have to do that.
Yeah, that's really neat. And it's right here on the dang beach, Cedar Point Beach. How cool is that, man? Totally rad way to spend the day.
Next roller coaster up, Blue Streak. Okay guys, you know I am not a complainer, but I will call something out when it's wrong. Our ticket included an unlimited beverage wristband, right here, okay? So we had to take our park ticket, which is a printed piece of paper, go stand in this line behind me. It took me 15 minutes in line for them to scan my ticket, give me the wristband, and hand me a cup so I could go to a freestyle machine. And every time throughout the day that you want something to drink, you have to go get back in that line. Scan your wristband again, and so they can give you a cup to go get to the freestyle machine. That is ridiculous. Not only that, half of the places are closed, because I went to one over here, it was closed. I asked somebody, he goes, well, that one's closed and that one's closed, so you're gonna need to go over to that one. Terrible system. This needs to be fixed. This is bad. Do you see that crazy ride right there over my shoulder? Yeah, we're gonna go ride that now. All right, it's swing time. That swing is really, really high. I'm not afraid of heights. I can do this.
Okay, that was a little scarier than I thought. It's the height thing. We were going up, and my stomach was like, oh my God. And it was cool there for a second, and then we start spinning and swinging out, and I was like, ah. It was beautiful though. Great views of the entire park and the whole entire Cedar Point Beach. But I was gripping down pretty hard. You, on the other hand, were loving it.
Yep.
Every second of it. I got this thing with heights. I don't know what it is. It's aggravating, but I wanted to enjoy that more, but I didn't.
You want to do it again?
No.
Yep, I loved it. Heights don't bother me at all, and it was absolutely beautiful up there. You can see the entire park. You can see all the way down the beach. You can see all the way out into Lake Erie. Jason noticed that there are jet ski rentals on the beach, and I think that's got him more intrigued than anything right now.
Correct. Yeah, I'd rather be on the beach riding jet skis and fishing and basking in the sun. Makes for good content, right?
Yeah. Well, we decided we are going to take a break from the theme park because our camper is right down this way. We're going to take the boardwalk walking path back to Ellie, have some lunch, and then decide what we're going to do next. We can come back to the theme park, which we're probably not going to do right now. We can go to the water park, or we can go to the beach.
We just did Dollywood, so like I got the theme park fix in. Like that was such an awesome theme park. But we'll see, play it by ear. There's so much to do. It's like, I want to do this, I want to do that.
I know.
I want to get on the beach, I want to do the water park. So, but I know for sure I'm I need some food.
Yup, it's lunchtime.
Grub. We're beaching it.
Yes, we are. This is fantastic. So, left the theme park, had some lunch, packed up our beach gear, and now here we are, sitting in the shade of our umbrella. Lake Erie's right here. I'm about to go take a dip and cool off, because even though it's only in the low 80s here, it's still quite warm.
Yes, sir. We have officially set up our spot on the beach, and it is warm out, y'all. But that water is looking very inviting. We're about to go get into that. Love a good beach day.